and Spa. Reservation, can I speak who may assist you?
Good afternoon.
Yes, of course. What kind of room would you like? And we have single room, double room, suite room, and deluxe room.
I like only single room.
Right. And may I know for when and how long you will stay in our hotel?
I want to stay for 5 minutes. This is my home. This is your home. This is your home. This is your home. That's perfect. This is your home. This is your home. You also have a baby. Double is zero. That 14.
Alright, and may I know your name, please?
My name is Claudia.
Could you spell your name, please, Miss Claudia? Alright, wait a moment, please. I want to check your room is available for you. Thank you for your rating, Miss Claudia, and your rating is available. And for the single room, it costs $100 per night, and that is include tax and service and breakfast. I'm sorry we don't have discount for you because your rate is include tax and service and breakfast. Yes, of course. And in the room we have television with 20 channel. We have telephone with IDD or international direct dial-phone system, local call and international call. And we also have mini bar and air conditioning. And in the bathroom we have bathtub and shower with hot and cold water. And for the hotel facilities, we have restaurant, lobby, bar, laundry, and also money changer. Do you have anything else? Yes, of course. Alright. And how about your payment? Do you want to pay by cash or credit card? And may I have your address, please? Alright, may I have your phone number and fax number, please? Alright, and do you have anything else, Miss Claudia? Alright, I will repeat all about your request. Well, your name is Miss Claudia, and you stay in our hotel. Start from 22nd of December 2018 until 22nd of December 2018. And you want one single room, and for the view is mountain view, and for your address is California, Street 3, Melbourne, Australia, and your phone number is 610-345-6780, and you need airport pickup at 2 p.m. Is that right? Do you have anything else? Alright, thank you for your reservation, Miss Claudia, and we hope you will enjoy staying in our hotel. Have a nice day and see you soon.